Maze, you can record this. Hold it. Damn it, they rushed me. 3-1. Fucking 35th GB rank right here. Fucking random.
No wonder he's 35th. He has to boot people up on.
Yeah, I know. It's so fucking so stupid. I don't care, dude. I'm gonna beat him right here. If I beat him, I'm gonna send him all messages.
If you go to the theater and like after it, if you're up, you were winning when he got booted. It says he timed out, right?
Yeah.
So that means like it's automatic forfeit.
Do the same thing. Come on. Rush down here. I dare you. Well, one's out here at B. No, god damn it! Fucking randoms, dude. I hate people who do this to cheat and fucking win on a free website.
If it gets to 3-3, are you host?
No, they are.
Then leave it, because if you play it out, you get the loss.
I am host. What do I do?
Dashboard it.
Is this the first map?
Just dashboard it, or end it.
And what? It shows that I end the game with a tie. It just shows that he times out. It doesn't show that I... They just switched teams. I'm done. No, good! I just fucking had that clutch. If I didn't knife, I would have killed him. They fuck... And the bomb's still down. I didn't... Oh my god, I had this clutch! Fucking random!